And Indian Air Force C-17 Globemaster aircraft are in Dubai to airlift more oxygen tankers. These are cryogenic containers to bring oxygen. Of course, these are empty cryogenic tankers that will be airlifted in these heavy lift aircraft, and this is a task which is being coordinated by the Ministry of Home Affairs, but Ministry of External Affairs and the Ministry of Defence involved in this. You'd recall the Indian Air Force had airlifted 4 cryogenic containers from Singapore just yesterday. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's editor Defence, Abhishek Bhalla, for more on this big story. Abhishek, bring us details about how the Indian Air Force is now actively involved in bringing in these cryogenic containers from different countries.
It's a massive operation, Gaurav, and there are 2 parts to it. One is the Indian Air Force continuously airlifting these tankers within the country, whatever is available. But there has been a problem of, lack of these tankers, which has led to the oxygen shortage. And the reason for that is that the supply chain is broken. And to augment that supply chain, the Indian Air Force is also going to other countries to airlift these tankers. Earlier, there were 4 tankers that were airlifted from Singapore. They have reached India, and by later this evening, 7 tankers from the UAE will be reaching Panagarh, from where they will be filled with oxygen and sent to different parts of the country.
And this is one part of the story, Abhishek, which is bringing in these tankers. The other part is Indian Air Force is also lifting oxygen generators from Germany, other equipment being picked up from other parts of the country, Abhishek.
That's right, Gaurav. The Indian Air Force has been carrying out these COVID relief operations, as they call it, for the last 1 week now. It started with domestic sorties with relief material, also airlifting medical personnel from one place to another. It also included oxygen cylinders. That has obviously widened now, and in days to come, we will also have oxygen plants being airlifted from Germany. These oxygen plants are to be used in military hospitals across the country. The idea is that the military should not depend on the civilian quota of medical oxygen, because there has already been a shortage. So if the military can be self-sufficient as far as oxygen is concerned, with these plants being set up in various military hospitals, it will augment the supply of oxygen.
Keep tracking that story, Abhishek. I will come back to you for more. This is now a national effort. You're looking at those images. That's a C-17 Globemaster aircraft. It's a heavy lift transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force, and it's bringing in tankers, cryogenic tankers from the United Arab Emirates to Panagarh in Bengal. From here, those tankers will go to different parts where oxygen will be filled and then transported on trains to the areas where oxygen is desperately needed.